How to fix accidentally archived Instagram story before 24 hours. So if you want to archive your Instagram story, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now you just need to simply go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and here you just need to simply go with the archive option. Once you tap on archive, then here you will have all of your stories archived, right? So for example, I'll be choosing the recent story. And now if you want to unarchive this, or if you want to get back this, then what you need to do is just go with the bottom right, which has that more option, and then go with save video. Once you tap on save video, then it will be saved to your gallery. It will automatically save it to your gallery, right? And from there you can repost it again. But you can also go with the next option, which is you can simply go with the highlights, which is here on the bottom right again. Tap on highlights, and from here you can simply choose a new highlight and then add that to your new highlights. And once you've added that to your highlight, then it will be on your highlights and you don't need to do anything. So that's how you can fix accidentally archived Instagram story before 24 hours. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.